Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and every time I travel, I struggle to regulate my temperature. I'm either too cold or too hot, and something that I found so useful on recent flights that we took was using this travel blanket from MasterManner. First and foremost, what sets it apart from other travel blankets that I've used is that it has a hood. Secondly, I just found it so versatile. You can wear it with the hood, obviously, up over your shoulders or across your lap. And I found that that was so nice because then if I was cold, I could bundle up more, or if I got hot, then I could just use less of it. I also love that there's this zippered pouch in the front. That is so nice because especially in a flight, I'm always losing things. And this was a nice convenient place to put them and know exactly where they were. My husband's 6 foot, I'm 5'4", and this blanket gives you full coverage all the way to the floor. My husband is a huge fan of having hoods on whatever he wears, and he was actually able to sleep on the flight. He was able to zip it up in the front and it put him in his own little cocoon, and he went out like a light, which is something that he does not do on flights. We think you're going to love this as much as we did. Pick it up for your next travel experience. It's going to make it so much better, and that's our point of view.